I can't believe I'm the wifey! Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark. But I'm too happy to care.
Me too! Oh boy. Opportunity coming through! Welcome home, honey pie! Not just yet! Oh, of course. Just give me a second. Is this enough? I've been saving! Ha! It's fine. Give me that. Okay, in you go. Good luck. You're gonna need it. Hush, hushy. Oh my! Like I said, good luck! Wait, what?
That's not good.
Nope. Gah! What the? Sorry. Ah! Save me! That thing had a tail!
I can't! Okay, let me handle this. We just need a little separation between foot and floor. There. That's more like it. Nifty, huh? You good, bro?
Whoa! Did you make these? Just for me? I hope they fit.
Right foot?
Very nice. Whoa, I'm so high. I'm like a giant. Easy, easy. It's giving style, baby. Just look at these moves. Nothing furry's touching these feet.
Oh, happy to help.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Honey, there's something over there.
Still scared? I get it. Let there be light. Better?
What on earth?
This place is a pigsty!
Ah!
It's disgusting!
Stuff everywhere!
Junk on junk on junk! Are those clothes even clean?
It's gonna eat us alive!
Ew, ew, ew! It's never ending!
Well, it started with me.
Hold on, I gotta get in here. Ooh. How did this happen? Hold on, BRB. Oh boy. Okay, this is better.
Any laundromats around here? Oh, hello there. You have something for us?
What does it…
Oh.
Is that an armoire? Wait, what about that box?
Let's see. It's a pretty nice size. Which is good news for me. And luckily I've got lots of hot glue handy. There. First part done. Just a few more. And boom! Up we go. A rung and 2 doors. And we've got ourselves an armoire, folks! Can't forget the handles. This makes it perfect. Ready? Ta-da!
Big load coming in hot. And I've got plenty more coming. Progress, people. It's giving organized clean. And just like that, done. Impressed? There's literally a spot for everything. And you know what that means? No more mess. Nothing but clean and organized. So beautiful. Our first piece of furniture.
It's great, right?
Well done. Whoa. It's so beautiful. Wait a minute. Things are moving so fast. What day is it again? Ugh, too much! I gotta keep track. How many Mondays? Sundays? It goes by so fast. What month is it? Not right now. 23, 24… What? Another message? What is this? I sure could use a calendar. Ugh.
Come on, let's get out of here! Woohoo! Look how fast!
Hold up. Let me just adjust one thing. Got it! See?
Hey! What happened? Ugh!
You'll be okay. I have work to do. And the name of the game? Layers! Okay, next. This part is all about the details. And layers, of course. Great! Now put these 2 pieces together. And check this out! Hanging months and dates. No more mystery days for me. See? It's the 25th. My guessing days are over, people. What a relief. Hey!
Oh boy. What?
I made a calendar. Now we can keep track of the days. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow! This is incredible! Let me try. Wow.
Anyway, hungry?
Wait, burgers? Yes, please.
I thought you'd like this. Oh!
Well, that's not good.
Definitely not.
What can I make with this? Something fantastic, obviously. See how everything has a spot? Now we have a perfect balance.
Are you sure? How strong is it? Oh! It works! Introducing our new table! Lunch is officially served. See? Come and get it!
Wait! No! Don't sit! Phew. Close call.
What's up with you?
You deserve a chair. Just give me a sec. Ta-da! All of these layers make it strong. Plus, it looks awesome, too. Wanna give it a try? Take a seat. Well, what do you think?
Feels pretty nice. I love it! Well done!
Only one thing left to do. Not with these. Cheers! Sweet, salty heaven.
Not bad at all.
Very nice. Oh! What's going on up there? Oh boy! Flowers coming in hot. Pretty. I know. But I can't just hand over some flowers. Yep. Wait. What's in here? Oh my! Directions! I got it! Time to fancy this vase up. Because plain glass is so boring. Am I right? Plain cardboard is not too exciting either. But I'll fix that. She's gonna love this thing. Especially with these gorgeous flowers. It's perfect. Hey, what do you think?
Huh? Is that for me? Look how beautiful these are! And that vase!
Yup, good looking out.
So sweet! I love you, I love you!
Oh, message received. And while we're at it… That's hardly ambiance. Come on! Nothing? Ugh. Ah! That's less than ideal.
Oh!
So much for romance. Bummer. Huh? What's going on over there? Hey, that's just it! I'm taking this into my own hands! Much better. Whoa! Check that out! Things are getting crazy out there! Oh! How will I ever give my girl a comment? Bad new hubby award goes to me.
Huh? What is it? Another message? Well, this is interesting. Oh, of course! I'm finally seeing the light! And soon, he will too. Light and love, baby! Just a couple easy steps. And boom! All done! It's just so simple. He's gonna love it. Honey, over here.
What?
I made us some ambiance. Oh yeah!
Whoa! That's incredible! Let's do this!
Get it?
Ha!
Take me away, honey! Our first dance as a married couple. So romantic. Take me in your arms. I'll take that. Worked like a charm. And it matches our decor, too. Perfect and purple.
Ugh, look at all this filth.
Tell me about it.
I want to see those bare walls. Ditto.
Finally.
So much potential.
So much.
Ugh. Excuse me? You think you're so important? I'm choosing inspiration. And a little imagination, of course. Let's keep on rolling. I'm getting a little dizzy here. Phew. Well done. And now, some color. And dip. Gorgeous. But you know what? I think bigger's always better. Done and done. And 5's better than 1. Finally, a place for all our knickknacks. Aren't we adorable? Hey, do you like?
Like? I love! It's us, baby! All of our things, our home, our past, present, and future. It's just perfect.
I'm so glad you love it!
Hey, look! Real gold!
No way! I found one too! It's… Hey, not cool! My coin! Huh? What's up there? Whoa! Are you seeing this? It's incredible! And it's ours!
I can't believe it! Look!
What's going on in there? Whoa! I see gold! I gotta get me some of that. Come on, let me in! Open up! Come on!
Woohoo!
Is someone at the door? Howdy! No thanks. It's fine. Where were we?
Yay! Best day ever! Best house ever! Best life ever!
Best marriage ever!
You can say that again!
Yeah, make it rain, honey!
Look at our beautiful space!
And it's all ours!
I love it!
Why stop at the cash? Look at this box!
My cardboard cutie!
Could I be any happier?
Watch out!